The third dream was a world union forming the outer basis of a fairer, brighter, and nobler life for all mankind. That unification of the human world is underway. There is an imperfect initiation organized, but struggling against tremendous difficulties. But the momentum is there, and it must inevitably increase and conquer. Here too, India has begun to play a prominent part. And if she can develop that larger statesmanship, which is not limited by the present facts and immediate possibilities, but looks into the future and brings it nearer, her presence may make all the difference between a slow and timid and a bold and swift development. A catastrophe may intervene and interrupt or destroy what is being done, but even then, the final result is sure. For unification is a necessity of nature, an inevitable movement. Its necessity for the nations is also clear, for without it, the freedom of the small nations may be at any moment in peril, and the life even of the large and powerful nations insecure. The unification is therefore to the interests of all, and only human imbecility and stupid selfishness can prevent it. But these cannot stand forever against the necessity of nature and the divine will. But an outward basis is not enough. There must grow up an international spirit and outlook. International forms and institutions must appear. Perhaps such developments as dual or multilateral citizenship, willed interchange, or voluntary fusion of cultures. Nationalism will have fulfilled itself and lost its militancy, and would no longer find these things incompatible with self-preservation and the integrality of its outlook. A new spirit of oneness will take hold of the human race.